Hey guys, my name's iExtreme or Roy Hood on Facebook, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the RGH 1.2 hack on a Jasper Fat console. This also works on Falcons, I'm just going to be showing you, telling you and showing you what you're going to be needing. So you're going to need a soldering iron, as you can see, some scissors, the Coolrunner set, so you get the Coolrunner and the wires. You'll need a JR programmer or NAND-X, some flux, obviously the console, the NAND-X, NAND programming cable, the Coolrunner programming cable. You would usually have a connector on the end, what you connect onto the Coolrunner here, but I've cut mine off and you'll see what I'll do with that later. You're also going to need some Kynar wire and a hot glue gun. Okay, so I'm back now that I've showed you what you need. So what you're going to need to do is get your NAND-X NAND programming cable, as you can see, and you're just going to cut the end off it so you can expose the wire like I have. And we're basically going to install this now to the console so we can get some NAND reads off the console. So yeah, so start with the black wire on the cable, and the black wire goes to the over here on these points. It's just the very corner one over here. So we're going to solder this in now. There we go. So now what you're going to need to do is get the red wire. The red wire goes to the one just above that. So if I just get this dust off it, there's some dust on my wire. So it's just this one here. Sorry if you can't see that. But just that one there, as you can see. The next one we're going to do is we'll do the orange wire. So get the orange wire, as you can see, and that's just the one opposite the red wire, so just here. There you go, as you can see, hopefully you can see that. Now we're going to ignore the yellow wire at the minute, and we're going to go to the brown wire. So the brown wire is the one just opposite the orange and the just next in between the orange and black. So we're just going to let me put these wires aside, and we're going to install the brown wire. As you can see, the brown wire's in, and we've got the black, brown, orange and red in. So we're now going to go over to the AV port area and here. So we're going to do the green wire first. So on these points here, it's the third one along to the left, so this one here, and that is the green one, the green wire. So there is images for this on JRunner. So there you go, as you can see, that one is in, and then the one opposite that, just below that, is the blue wire. So we're going to install that now. There you go, the blue wire and the green wire is installed. So the last wire for the NAND cables is the yellow one, so we're going to basically just tin one of these ports on here. It doesn't have to be this one, it can be any of these four or even these two over here. And you just want to install the yellow NAND wire to that. Could probably do with adding a bit more solder to that. There we go. So yeah, you just want to install the yellow wire to that. Give me a second, this is being awkward. Okay, so there we go, that yellow wire is installed. Now we've installed all of the NAND wires to read the NAND, so I'll just lift the camera up and show you. So as you can see, we've got them ones installed there. and we've also got them ones installed, and we're left with this plug. So yeah, that's it for the soldering bit of the NAND, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so what you're going to need to do now, guys, is you've installed the NAND wires. You're going to need to bring your console to your PC, plug your power brick in like that, make sure the orange light is on the power brick, as you can see, and plug your JR programmer into that cable, plug the USB cable into the JR programmer into your PC, and then you need to go on JRunner, as you can see. You're going to need to go onto, you need to select onto retail, and then just press that question mark where the mouse is. It'll pop up with some information here in this black box, your console information. Change how many reads your JRunner will do for your console in there. Change it to 2 or 3 in that, depending on if you're new to making consoles. I just keep it on 2, and then just press read NAND on that one there, and it will start reading the NAND, and it will save your NAND dumps. As you can see, mine is doing it on my other PC, but I don't have a mouse for this PC that works on it, so I can't really show you it, me doing it on there. But yeah, as you can see, the NAND is reading. As you can see, reading NAND. It is a Jasper 16 megabyte. So yeah, comment below if you need any help. But yeah, I'll get back to you in a second with the next part of the video. Okay, so once your NAND has been read and it says there's no bad blocks in this black box here, and the NANDs are the same, what you're going to need to do is go up here, select create ECC. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh yeah, it's because I've got no NANDs loaded as I'm doing it on this PC. But you want to go on create ECC, select the motherboard type, which is probably a Jasper or a Falcon if you're watching this tutorial. Then click your motherboard type, then press OK, and then click write ECC, which is what I'm about to do on here, but as you can see I'm doing it differently. So it is writing the Jasper ECC. It should take about 18 seconds with the JR Programmer V2. As you can see, it's nearly done. Okay, so there we go, it has writ, and yes, it was 18 seconds. So that's it for this bit of the tutorial on reading the NAND and writing Zell. So yeah, I'll get back to you soon, and yeah, thanks for watching, and watch part 2.